Hey guys, this is Sanika and welcome back to my channel Food Tricks. So someone has suggested us in the comments to make a black forest cake. So if you also have any suggestions regarding any kind of cake or any dishes, then do comment in the comment section below and let us know. So let's make the black forest. Thank you. So today we are going to bake a cake from a ready-made premix. Premix is nothing but a ready-made cake powder which is easily available in any cake material shop. So we are taking 200 grams premix, 2 spoons oil and half glass of water. Put the batter in a large bowl and keep adding little water and mix it. Don't add all the water at once. Here I will need only half glass of water. Mix it properly. So once you get a good consistency, add the oil in the same manner and mix it properly. So once you get a good consistency of your batter, which is not too thick and not too thin, the batter is ready to bake. Now I am going to take a butter paper and cut it like this so that it will fit into the baking tin. But if you don't have a butter paper, you can grease the tin with oil and sprinkle some maida on it and dust it. Pour the batter in a baking tin and tab it. I have already made a video on how to bake a cake in a kadhai in my last video, so you can check it from the description below. In this video I am baking it in an oven on 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Cake is baked properly, so I am going to cut it from the corners.
Since my hair got cut and dyed, and I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter.
The cake has come out so beautifully and it is so spongy and soft. Now take out the butter paper. Now cut the cake into layers. I am going to cut it into 2 layers. So I am going to put one cut with a knife, and then I am using the thread to cut it properly. You can use the normal thread.
I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide.
So we have separated the layers. Now make the sugar syrup. Add 2 spoons of sugar in 1 cup of water and mix it. For whipping cream, I am taking 1 cup of whipped cream and mixing it. So here our whipping cream is also ready. For chocolate shavings, I have taken a compound chocolate here and I am going to cut it like this with a knife so that we get beautiful pieces. So on a cake board, I am going to apply little whipped cream. Now put a cake layer on it and now apply the sugar syrup nicely so that the cake will not get dry later.
Like what I like, but he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.
Apply the whipped cream with the help of a palette knife. Now put the chocolate shavings on this layer properly.
Had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just.
So once done, we are going to put other layer of the cake and we are going to repeat the same process, applying the sugar syrup and then the whipped cream.
Just as wild.
So once the whipped cream is properly applied, just clean the sides of the cake.
Stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like.
Put the chocolate shavings on this layer as well, and also on the edges, so that the cake is totally covered with the chocolate shavings. So this chocolate shavings gives a very nice look to the cake. Now with the help of a piping bag, put a design on a cake like this.
Hands are tied, hands are tied. 'Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.
Now put the cherry on this cake like this. You can decorate it as you want to.
Since my hair got cut and dyed, and I've had 7 days since I tried.
So here our Black Forest cake is ready. Do try this at home and let us know how it turned out. So like and subscribe to our channel Food Treats. Thanks for watching.
Hands are tied, hands are tied. 'Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.